Hey everybody, this is just a quick video to help you out in case you have a Miele brand washing machine and you're getting an F87 error. So what is this error and can we get rid of it on our own, or do we need to call a technician? So first of all, the error, what is it? So it's in the softener sensor, where you put the fabric softener. There's a sensor in there, and that sensor is not getting the right electricity. It's some kind of a fault there. So you just want to check, first of all, make sure that you're getting the proper electricity to your machine. So if you're using an extension cord, make sure that extension cord is heavy duty enough to carry the voltage that you need so that you're not getting any electronical anomalies within the machine. And stuff like that. And the next thing, before you actually start replacing parts in there, I would just do a hard reset on the machine. So turn it off, and disconnect it from power completely. So either unplug it from the wall or turn it off at the circuit if it's hardwired, and leave it off for a full minute before you turn it back on, and then see if that sensor fault hasn't cleared out of there. And hopefully it has. And if not, your best bet might just be to call a technician. But anyways, I hope this video at least helped you figure out what's going on with the machine. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.